Well, it's that time of year again where we're seeing the sun start to shine, the days are getting longer and winter is starting to fade away. It's also that time of year we're seeing an influx of homes hit the property market. Trustfully engaged by our client AJ & Co Interiors, we have staged this home to ensure its marketing campaign is a successful one. Now this property is too good not to share. An extension onto a gorgeous character home, this property mixes ornate and original features with super on-trend contemporary finishes to produce this magnificent family home. To complement the beautiful natural timbers and matte black finishes, we opted for a blend of contemporary furniture selections to really keep this look consistent throughout the entire home. Paired with muted greys and minimal colour, this neutral palette really lets the property shine. It's not just about the quality of workmanship. You can really feel the love AJ & Co Interiors have created in this space that makes it so special. You can trust the team at Perth Style Co to deliver an individual and tailored styling approach every time.